Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your own domain name for your affiliate program for your Squarespace using OSI affiliate software. If you would like to replace the standard OSI affiliate hosted account URL, which should be your company.ositracker.com with your own domain name, this can easily be done by following the instructions. For example, if your DNS is managed by the domain register GoDaddy, add a CNAME zone records as shown here. And then, once you're done creating, please log into your OmniStar account. Click Setup Software. Use domain. Use my domain. And then, all just have to do is plug the desired subdomain and just click Update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.